Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm working on, again, if you don't know, is my 2002 PT Cruiser. If you haven't seen me on the video of me getting this car, I'll put the link in the description below. Last night I was out on my paper route, running down the road. I pulled out on the highway and started to get into it, and something popped in the front end. And the noise is now on this side, and I have no idea what it is. When you hit the brakes, it vibrates like crazy. So I don't know what's going on. At low speeds, it just makes a weird, sorry about the camera. Makes a weird clunking noise in the front end. Judging by the brake dust, I think our caliper might have came off. We'll find out here for sure. I was hoping it wasn't hoping it ain't a wheel burn or something. Alright, so no damage to the wheel. Oh, look at that. That's exactly what I thought happened. You ever seen that happen? Going down the road and a bolt fell out of my caliper. Ha! I'll be dadgum. Both bolts fell out of the calipers. Ha! Well, dadgum. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. Well, I'm gonna go and see if I have any way of putting any bolts in this. And my hands are cold. It's like 14 degrees out here. Well, I'm glad to see that it's an easy fix. Hopefully it didn't mess up the caliper bracket where it threads into. The only problem is I'll give you a show here. I had parts vehicles in the backyard that I could easily get them bolts from, and I got a cleanup notice on my property. And if you guys remember from many of my videos, Holly there, the red van's gone. Look at there. Well, y'all knew I moved the blue truck over there. But the Focus is gone. And come over here. The other Focus, it's gone. And the blue van is gone. So, very bad time of needing a parts vehicle, and I sold them. So I'm going to see what I can come up with, and I'll bring you back when I figure it out. Alright everybody, I ended up running to the parts store. Bought me a hardware kit, the pin slides and hardware. That's the part number if you ever run into a situation on a 2002 PT Cruiser. Didn't really look like it hurt anything, just come loose in there. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. I just need the 2 bolts. I don't even need the slides. So that works out pretty nice. Get that started. It will start. There's one, and I'll get that tightened up. Just a 14mm wrench. I'm not gonna tighten that up until I get this other one in. Seemed like it went in. I can't believe that I lost these 2 bolts down the road, 70 miles an hour. Huh. Good Lord's been watching over me. I tell you what, he's been taking care of me here a lot lately, so I'm not got no complaints. I don't know why anybody would if they trust in him. That one's, look at that, just as quick as opening a bag and tightening it up. 2 bolts, the cheapest $5 and some change fix. Thank God that it was not any more expensive than that. Nice and tight. All right. I'll put the wheel back on and I'll call this job success. And I want to thank you all for watching and helping me figure this out. I'm glad, like I said, it was an easy fix. And y'all have a great day. And like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And y'all have a great day, and God bless you.